the most anticipated match of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2006, the Pakistan vs India clash is at risk of being affected by rain. The crucial Group A counter between Pakistan and India is scheduled for tomorrow is Colombo, with both teams make full preparation. However, due to Colombo's unpredictable weather, there are concerns that the Pakistan-India contest could be disrupted. The Sri Lankan Metropolitan Department has warned that a low-pressure system is forming over the Bay of Bengal, which increases the strong likelihood of rain during Sunday evening Pakistan-India match. Weather is Colombo is expected to start hot and humid on Sunday. Weather is Colombo expected to start hot and humid on Sunday, with temperature reaching around 31 during the day. However, the thunder showers are forecast at various times in the afternoons, with rains probably estimated between 50% and 70%. The Pakistan-India match is set to begin at 7 p.m. local time, but some weather models indicates the possibility of heavy rain before the start, which could delay the toss. Contained forecasts suggest slight improvement in conditions after 8 p.m. throughout. Intermittent rain is likely continues through the night. If the match is washed out due to rain, both Pakistan and India will be awarded 1 point each. Fans are praying that this high voltage contest remains unaffected by rain. If the match is washed out due to rain, but rain is